Hey guys, it is Monday here in the Philippines, and today we're doing a Mopar Monday, hence why we have Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge out here. And today is the last video I'll be doing with this until I get back to the States, because I'm boxing this one up and putting it in my DHL box and shipping it back to the States. That's probably the safest way I'm going to be able to get this thing from one side of the world to the other. So hopefully it gets there safely. And anyways, today what we're unboxing for you guys is the new Dragstrip Demons Ramchargers AWB 65 Coronet. I love the card art on this thing. It is so sweet. And then the car itself is really cool. This now has to be my favorite variant of this car outside of the original Dragstrip Demons Dick Landy variant. They have a few variants of this thing, but this is probably going to be one of my favorites, because this is right at the time when Chrysler reps and such started this Ramchargers thing, the experimental group of Chrysler. So very cool, and what better place to bring it out except Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge. So this is a really cool set. This is the only car I picked up from this set. It was going to get the Nova wagon. As you can see there, it's pretty sweet. Probably the coolest variant released of the car so far. They did make a Super Treasure Hunt, so that was the first one with the rubber tires, but this one is probably the best looking one with the chrome wheels, and it has the right diameter wheels. Very sweet. Then they have the brand new casting of the 33 Willys pickup, which you can get that in a chase variant from the set too, which is pretty cool. Then you have the 73 Plymouth Duster, which is pretty cool, but still yet the best variants of that car were from the Vintage Racing series when it first appeared, of the Sox and Martin and the Mopar Missile. The Bug, I'm not really into. I don't think that should even be in this set, but that's my opinion. If they would have made it like the Street Racer variant, like the Dune Beetle that Green Light did a few years ago, that would have been sweet. But this one, it looks like some SoCal little VW lowrider or something. Does not fit in this set whatsoever. But that's my 2 cents. I'm really surprised it was a sellout here already at the one toy store. The only 3 available are the Coronet, the Nova Wagon, and the Duster. The Willys, I can understand why it sold out. It's a new casting, cool gasser. The Bug, I don't understand. That's my opinion, though. So let's get this Dodge out and take a look at him. So we'll get him ripped off the card here and take a look at him. So there you go. It has the original Ramchargers on the side with the Dodge on the fender. Has like a Hildebrand, like 5-slot wheel in the front with the Steelies in the back with the slicks on it. But these are treaded. Most of the time Hot Wheels uses slicks. Now the time they should have used slicks, they put treaded tires on it. Go figure. So anyways, this casting first appeared in the original Dragstrip Demons from back in 09 and 10. Then it reappeared again in the new Car Culture Dragstrip Demons from a couple years back. And then this one. So very sweet casting. Love this one. Love the 65 Coronet. There's your grill. No headlight detail, unfortunately, but no big deal. Because it is a drag car, probably the headlights could have been eliminated and covered with aluminum panels, or colored Lexan at that time was a very popular thing to do. And as you can see, it has like the Hilborn or Inglis stack injection sticking out of the hood, 4 hood pins, and then you have the red stripes across the roof and the deck lid. Hence where they got that name Candy Striper, because these drag cars and these gassers and such had these type of pinstripe paint jobs on them back then, and that's why they would call it like the Candy Stripers and such. Flipping them around, you have a nice detailed taillight area, such. All metal casting, which is very cool. Love this casting in general. And when we say AWB, it means altered wheelbase, meaning everything was moved forward about, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches. And the rear wheel, as you can see, it's moved way forward. Same thing with the front wheel. You never had that dog leg here, was never that wide. It was probably only about that wide. So that's what they mean by the AWB. Everything was pushed forward to give that weight transition for launching the car and such. Offered the best traction. So that's why they did this. So very sweet piece. So let's put him down here in front of the Grand Spalding Dodge. And as you can see, it looks very cool. The experimental Dodge setting in front of the most iconic Dodge dealership of all time. So very sweet car to add to Mr. Norm's. It will go in the showroom with the others and such, and I will be packing this up and shipping it back to the States with all the other items I had for sale. These cars right here in the dealership are one of the items, or some of the items, that I'm going to try to hang on to and build my collection from once again. So, well, we'll be taking a look at it again in a couple of months in the States. So, guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this Ramchargers 65 Coronet AWB. I may pick up the Nova in the next week or so and do a video on it. We'll see what happens. But anyways, I'll be back shortly in the next week or so to do another video for you guys. So take care and thanks for watching.